Today, we're embarking on a journey to the final frontier, a place of wonder, mystery, and awe-inspiring phenomena that challenge our very understanding of the universe. We're diving into the cosmos to uncover some truly mind-blowing facts about space. Our cosmic journey begins with a rather eerie fact. Space is completely silent. You see, here on Earth, sound travels through the vibration of air molecules. But in the vacuum of space, there are virtually no molecules to vibrate. It's a concept that's hard to wrap our earthly minds around. Imagine the most serene silence you've ever experienced, and then multiply that by infinity. That's the sound of space, or rather the lack thereof. It's a stark reminder of the alien environment that exists beyond our planet. Now, one might think that this silence makes space a rather boring place, but as we're about to discover, nothing could be further from the truth. Our next stop takes us to our planetary neighbor Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a world of extremes. It holds the title for the hottest planet in our solar system. Now you might be thinking, but wait, isn't Mercury closer to the Sun? And you'd be right, but Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, which traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. This atmospheric blanket results in surface temperatures that can melt lead, reaching a scorching 867 degrees Fahrenheit or 464 degrees Celsius. So, while Mercury might be the closest to the Sun, Venus is undoubtedly the inferno of our solar system. As if the scorching heat wasn't bizarre enough, Venus throws us another curveball. Prepare to have your mind boggled. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. You see, Venus rotates on its axis incredibly slowly, in the opposite direction to most planets. It takes approximately 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation, while it zips around the Sun in just 225 Earth days. So on Venus, you could celebrate your birthday every day, and it would still take longer than a Venusian year. It's a cosmic quirk that makes Venus even more enigmatic. Let's shift our gaze now to the grandest scale imaginable, to the realm of stars that stretch out before us like diamonds scattered across a cosmic canvas. The sheer number of stars in the universe is a concept that truly stretches the limits of human comprehension. To put it into perspective, there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches combined. Imagine for a moment, if you will, holding a single grain of sand in your hand. That tiny speck represents a star, a colossal ball of burning gas, many of which dwarf our own sun in size and brilliance. Now multiply that single grain by the countless trillions upon trillions of grains of sand on Earth's shores, and you're beginning to grasp the unfathomable vastness of the cosmos and the sheer abundance of stars that call it home. Our own star, the Sun, is a mighty celestial furnace that governs our solar system. It's a giant ball of plasma, primarily hydrogen and helium, held together by its own immense gravity. To truly grasp its size, consider this. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. Imagine our planet with its vast oceans, towering mountains, and sprawling cities, reduced to a mere speck compared to the colossal sphere of the Sun. It's a humbling reminder of the scales at play in the universe, where even something as seemingly massive as our planet pales in comparison to the celestial giants that populate the cosmos. Our cosmic treasure hunt now takes us to a planet that would make even the most discerning jeweler drool with envy. Deep within the constellation of Cancer, orbiting a star known as 55 Cancri, lies a planet twice the size of Earth with a rather dazzling composition. It's made largely of pure crystallized carbon. This planet, known as 55 Cancri e, is so dense that the carbon atoms have bonded together to form a massive diamond structure. Imagine the sparkle. It's estimated to be worth a staggering 26.9 nonillion. That's 26 with 30 zeros after it. If we could ever get our hands on this celestial gem, it would make the Hope Diamond look like a mere speck of dust. Our next stop takes us to our red neighbor Mars, a planet that has captivated humanity for centuries. While it might be known for its rusty red hue, Mars is home to a feature that's anything but diminutive: the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. This behemoth of a volcano dwarfs anything found on Earth. It stretches an incredible 374 miles in diameter. That's roughly the size of the state of Arizona. And if you were standing at its base, Its summit would soar 16 miles above you, that's 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Fortunately, Olympus Mons has been extinct for millions of years, so we don't have to worry about any Martian eruptions anytime soon. Now let's raise a glass, or rather contemplate a cosmic cocktail of epic proportions. In the constellation of Aquila, some 10,000 light-years away, lies a giant cloud of alcohol. This isn't your average party trick though. This cloud is a staggering 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system and contains enough ethyl alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's enough to quench the thirst of every living being on Earth for billions of years. This discovery has left scientists buzzing, not because of its potential for a cosmic happy hour, but because it provides valuable insights into the complex chemistry that takes place in interstellar clouds, the birthplace of stars and planets. Our cosmic journey now takes us to the realm of the extreme, to the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova neutron stars. These incredibly dense objects pack the mass of our sun into a sphere only about 12 miles or 20 kilometers across. That's like squeezing the entire population of the Earth into a teaspoon. But what's truly mind-blowing is their rotational speed. Some neutron stars, known as pulsars, can spin up to 600 times per second. Imagine that, spinning faster than the blades of a kitchen blender, but on a cosmic scale. This rapid rotation generates incredibly powerful beams of radiation that sweep across the cosmos like cosmic lighthouses. Our final cosmic curiosity might seem a bit mundane compared to giant alcohol clouds and diamond planets, but it's no less fascinating. You see, in the vacuum of space, if two pieces of the same type of metal touch each other, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This phenomenon is known as cold welding. Here on Earth, our atmosphere prevents this from happening. The oxygen in the air reacts with the surface of metals, creating a thin oxide layer that acts as a barrier. But in the vacuum of space, there's no such barrier. So, if two pieces of metal, say, parts of a spacecraft, touch, their atoms can interact directly, forming a metallic bond as if they were always one piece. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. We've journeyed from the eerie silence of space to the scorching surface of Venus, from diamond planets to giant alcohol clouds, and we've only just scratched the surface of the wonders that await us in the cosmos. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about space, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time.